What's the meaning of cream puff? Cream puff. Cream puff.
Cream puff. Cream puff. A cream puff is a type of pastry that is typically filled with whipped cream or custard. The pastry shell is light and airy, with a delicate texture that melts in your mouth. Cream puffs are often served as a dessert or a sweet snack, and they can be found in bakeries and cafes around the world. They're a popular treat for people of all ages, and they're easy to customize with different fillings and toppings. Overall, a cream puff is a delicious and indulgent treat that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth.